Everybody, and welcome to part 4 of plugging a tubeless tire using unconventional plugs. You saw me earlier use part of a nitrile glove, and it's proven itself over 50 miles of riding. There's one there. Here's a Stan's plug with the multi strip design. It's held together with a piece of plastic that you insert. And then I just, with the last demonstration I made was with the Dyna plug, and this material is pretty neat. It does react nicely with the sealant and forms a softer type of a plug. But the very last thing I used and tried was a piece of old inner tube. And to make, to fill the voids better, I cut a piece like this, 1/4 of an inch or so, and then I cut inwards towards the center, creating these little fingers, leaving some connective material. Okay, so it looks like this. Let's see how, there it goes, there, like that. And we're going to try that. Only this time, what happened to us on a ride, somebody ran over a sheetrock screw, went through the tread and the sidewall. We didn't bother plugging that. We just used the tube because we weren't really sure how any plug would work in a sidewall application. So we're going to give that a try. So bear with me. We're going to puncture this. Right now the tire is about at 80 pounds. So hopefully we don't have too much problem here puncturing the sidewall. And it's actually very soft there, so unlike going through the top of the tread, it was a lot easier to penetrate, which makes sense. Okay, so here we have a sidewall puncture. There it is right there. And we're going to try using a spare piece of inner tube. We're going to use this piece right here. I'm going to put it into my bifurcated tool, by Crank Brothers. So it looks like that. And we're going to try putting that in here. I've got to find it again. There it is. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get this in here like this. This might be a little difficult, but we're going to try to inject it here. There we go. I'm going to work it in. This takes a little bit more effort. Oh, this is a little tough. Let's see, that didn't stick in there. I'm going to try to get that in there. This is where the Dyna tool plug might work better. But I'm going to see if I can get this in here. Where's the cut? I can't find the cut. Might have to pump it up a little bit to identify it. That's what I'm going to try doing right now. Okay, there it is right there. Okay. Well, even sealed. The sealant seemed to work pretty good, actually. There we go. Oh, the sealant helped me inject this. Let's see if I can hold it in this time. It's in there pretty good. So it looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. I might try to shove it in a little bit more. The true test will be riding with the sidewall plug, seeing how it holds up. I'm theorizing that with higher pressures it'll be better off than with at lower pressures due to the less flex. So let's try pumping this baby up. And we could probably trim the excess. Get some sealant over that. You see that? Okay. See what pressure we're at. Good. Okay. Make sure some sealant's there. Valve this thing. Okay, there we go. All right, we have a good amount of pressure in there. You see that? Yeah, okay. It's holding pretty nicely. We could trim it off and the excess off. Shouldn't interfere with anything on your bike. And there you go. It seems to work. Now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to release, let's see, I'll put some pressure on it. Flex it. I see no leakage. And let's put some, take more pressure out of the tire. Make it kind of soft, and then I'm going to try compressing it just to see what happens. I don't think it's going to ride with less than that. I got a good amount of flex here. It's hard, can't really show you here, but nothing seems to be leaking. It's doing a good job. So there you have it. I'm going to have to take it out on the road, give it a try, but the Sidewall Repair seems to work using an unconventional piece of scrap inner tube. So, well, I'll be back. I'll let you know how it held up. See ya. Have a safe ride.